Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about question number 4, 5, 6 and 7 of exercise 1.5. Okay, let's discuss question number 4, which is if U is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and A is equals to 2, 4, 6, 8 and B is equals to 2, 3, 5, 7, we have to verify that complement of union is equals to intersection of the complements. Okay, first of all we will find complement of union. Okay, for this we have to find the union. What is A union B? In A union B we will write all the elements of A and B. Okay, and the element can't repeat. So elements will be 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so we have to find the complement of union of A and B. Okay, so here U is this and union A union B is this. We have to write those elements which are in U but not in the union. Okay, we will discard those elements. So we have only two elements, 1 and 9. Okay, now we will solve this one, right side part. Okay, here complement of A is U minus A, or we will cancel out those elements which are in A. Okay, 2, 4, 6, 8 will be cancelled out. So in the complement of A we have 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. Similarly for B complement, U minus B gives us 1, 4, 6, 8, 9 because 2, 3, 5, 7 are elements of B. Okay. Now we have to find the intersection of A complement and B complement. Okay. So this will be 1 and 9 because here only 1 and 9 element is present which is in A complement and B complement. So here this condition is verified. Now let's discuss about the complement of intersection is equals to union of the complements. Okay. So first of all we will find the intersection of A and B. Here A is 2, 4, 6, 8 and B is 2, 3, 5, 7. We have to find the common elements between A and B. Okay. Here 2 is common and only 2 is common element. Okay. And what about the complement of this? In complement, we have all the elements of universal set which are not in intersection. Okay, here is only two element. So in the complement of intersection, we have 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We have all elements of U except 2. Okay. Now what about A complement union B complement? We know that what is A complement? This is 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. What is B complement? 1, 4, 6, 8 and 9. We have to find the union of this. Okay. In union we have all the elements of A and B. Okay. Which is either in A or B. Elements will be 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 which is equals to complement of the intersection. So both parts are verified. Now question number 5, we have to draw appropriate Venn diagram for each of the following. First one is complement of the union. Okay, you know that this is the universal set and these two sets are representing set A and set B. Okay, what about A union B? A union B will be these two sets. Okay, this shaded region, this dotted region will be A union B. We have to find the complement. We all know that in the complement we have all the elements of universal set except this set. Okay, so this will be this shaded region will be complement of A union B. Okay. What about the intersection of A complement and B complement? First of all, we will find what is A complement and B complement. Okay. So here this is set A. This will be complement of A. Okay. All the elements of universal set which are not in A. Okay. Now what about B complement? B complement will contain all elements, all the region except B. Okay. Clear? Here we have horizontal, vertical lines. Here we have horizontal lines. Okay. What section we have this area. Okay. So this is the intersection of A complement and B complement. Now next is complement of the intersection. First of all, we will find the intersection of A and B. Intersection of A and B will be this portion. Okay. We have to find the complement. So this will be all the elements, all the area except this region. Okay. So this shaded region will be the complement of the intersection. Okay. So what about the union of the complements? So what about A complement? A complement will be these elements. Okay. And what about B complement? B complement will be this area. Okay. We have to find the union. Union of A complement and B complement. So this will be all the horizontal and vertical lines. Okay. This will be all shaded area enclosed by horizontal and vertical lines. Okay. Now question number 6. Let U be the set of all triangles in a plane. If A is the set of all triangles with at least one angle different from 60 degree, then what is complement of A? We all know that we have all triangles with one angle different from 60. So A set will be the set of all triangles which are not equilateral triangles. Okay. So A is the set of all triangles in which no triangle is equilateral. Okay. So what will be in the complement of A? Set of all equilateral triangles. Now question number 7, which is fill in the blanks to make each of the following a true statement. Okay. We have to fill in the blanks. For more clarity, let's draw. This is the universal set U and this is a set A. Okay. This is set A. You all know that this area will be complement of A. Okay. So what is the union of A and A complement? You can observe that this will be all the universal set. Okay. So what about phi dash? We have already discussed that phi dash is equals to universal set. We have to find the intersection of universal set and A. Universal set is this and A is this. Okay. In the intersection we have common element. So this will be equals to A. A intersection A complement. Okay. Here we have A set and all the elements except A in the universal set are A complement. So there is no common element. So this will be equals to phi. What about U complement intersection A? U complement will be equals to phi. Phi intersection A is equals to phi. So that's all about this chapter. So student, this is the last video of chapter 1 sets. This is totally based on the new pattern of CBSE for session 2022 and 23. If you want to check out all the chapters, all the videos of this chapter, You can check it out, and if you have any queries then write in the comment box. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching.